Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading with the CryptoGuru Trading Simulator app. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or an experienced trader wanting to sharpen your skills, this app is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's download the app. Head over to the App Store, whether it's the Apple Store or Google Play Store. Search for CryptoGuru Trading Simulator. And tap on the download button. Once the app is installed, open it up. Once you have the app open, you will need to set up an account. You can sign up using your email, Google or Facebook account. Now fill in the required details. Create a strong password and agree to the terms and conditions. You'll receive a verification email. Head to your inbox, open the mail and click on the verification link. Now your account is all set up. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. At the top, you'll see a portfolio balance and a summary of your holdings. Below that, you have the market overview showing the latest prices of popular cryptocurrency. On the bottom, there are tabs for home, market, portfolio, news and settings. Let's start with the market tab. Here you can explore different cryptocurrencies, view their current prices and analyze charts. Next is the portfolio tab where you can see your investments, task performance and make adjustments. The news tab provides the latest updates and trends in the cryptocurrency world, keeping you informed and helping you make educated decisions. In the settings tab, you can customize your experience, manage notifications and access support. To make your first trade, head over to the Market tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Click on Buy or Sell depending on your strategy. When you're ready, click on Confirm Trade and congratulations, you've just made your first trade on CryptoGuru. And that's it for today's tutorial on the CryptoGuru Trading Simulator app. We hope this guide helps you navigate the app and start your trading journey.